Hey there and welcome to
Crazy Cooking!
Today we have two special guests. One of them is my rat and the second one is Uliana.
Hi guys, I'm gonna join in to this really cool crazy cooking, and today we're going to make chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. So here are the ingredients.
Okay, so this is cocoa butter. The cocoa butter is very, very hard, and you need to make it melt because you can't make the chocolate without making it melt. First you melt it and then you add some cocoa.
To make up the cocoa butter, we need to chop it or grate it into some little pieces so that it was easier to melt, and put those little pieces into a bowl. In the bowl, we will put the bowl after that into a bigger bowl that is filled with water, and put it in and stir occasionally until it melts. Okay, now you need to put the cocoa powder .
Put the nuts on the board, and to make it much more safer so you don't chop your fingers, you put this knife at this angle, put your hand there, and keep chopping alternatively.
So, because we want to make different tastes, we're going to use this kitchen instrument, and we're going to put in what we want to do for the first row. So I'm putting in hazelnuts. Eventually we stirred the chocolate, and now we're going to put them in the mold. But the best thing is to get something hard, piece of this, cardboard, anything that's hard, so it'll be easier to put in the freezer. So now we're going to pour them into the mold.
And we also can add the berries and chocolates as we go.
Now we put it into the fridge. If you're using cocoa butter, you put it into the fridge for 30 minutes. If you're using coconut butter, you put it into the freezer for 30 minutes.
Okay, so now I added some almonds because personally I like almonds, and now I'm going to stir it. And I also really want to add some cranberries, so I'm going to take a little pile and sprinkle them in, and some more and sprinkle them in again. Now I'm going to stir them again. And now I'm going to pour them into these really nice unicorn trays. Now because I've already filled the trays, I'm going to put them in the fridge.
So I personally love coconut, so I decided to add some coconut in there. But not too much. Now I'm going to stir the coconut with some chocolate. Once that has done, I'm going to pour it into these circle ones. So now the chocolate's ready, and we can take it out. You take it out, turn it over and squeeze it. Push it down. So now we're gonna eat them.
It's such a nice.
Real chocolate and crunchy. Like and subscribe. See you. Bye.